Jai Hind, Goa citizens. My name is Rahul Gupta. I'm SP Cybercrime in Goa. There's another kind of fraud which is prevalent. In this fraud, which specifically targets unmarried women, there will be NRI resident who is settled abroad. He will befriend you on Facebook or maybe on Instagram, and he will start talking to you on social media, and he might get your mobile number through social media, and he will friend you, and then he will make a marriage proposal to you that I want to marry you. And since the girl who is talking to him is unmarried, she might fall into this trap that since it's an NRI and he is making a good offer, then it's very alluring. So then the boy will say that he is coming to India with some gifts for you, or to make a formal marriage proposal, or to meet the girls. And one day he'll call you from the airport, and he'll tell you that I was arrested on the airport by law enforcement agents and they are asking for some money. He will request the girl to help him, and the girl, since now she is very emotionally bonded with him, she will say, okay, how much money you want, how much money I have to pay. Then she will pay some money. So this kind of fraud happens. You should always get very cautious, and you should not give any kind of money to such frauds. Thank you.